I'm going to trace out some graphics for a canvas tote bag. I'm going to be using Logic Trace 2022. First thing I'm going to select here is the line and the curve command. I'm going to trace out the perimeter of the diagram using these two commands. The program creates an easy trace and accurate. It has two windows, the control window on the left side and the display window on the right side. The control window has easy to use buttons, so you can switch between lines, arcs, curves, and tracing, and circles. Once that's finished, then I'll be using the trace command for the rest of the internal parts. You can see here I also use a red pencil, keep track of what I've traced and where I start. That gives me an idea where to stop so I don't cause a crossed vector. Also, if it's a complex diagram, it shows what I've already traced, so I don't trace that item twice. The program has a unique feature, and that is that you can move the display contents to another device, like a cell phone or an iPad, and you can keep that close to you as you're tracing and make your selections very quickly. I find the program really easy to use and fast, and it has the ability to be saved in different formats like DXF, PolyDXF, SVG, or PDF. There are options and setup buttons, and that means that the user can set the program up to suit his own needs. Like in my case, I set up the line width to be 0.5, like a black thread, and I also selected the black color. I'm getting finished up here with the tracing, so now I'm going to load this file into Vectric Aspire 11.5. I'm going to have to do a bit of node editing where some of the lines crossed. I have to take the scissors and cut those out. Now I'm going to load that finished file, that edited file, into VersaWorks, which is the printer software. Here I select the size of the print, the rotation of the print, and the media I'm using, which is Express Vinyl. The print is not a fast print, but a good quality print. The printer is also configured that after it prints those images on the vinyl, it goes back into the printer to be cut. When the prints are complete and the cuts are finished, then the image is weeded. Then a pre-mask is applied and we're ready for the heat transfer. The heat transfer is set up at 300 degrees F and a 10-second press. Once that's done, the pre-mask is removed. The image I picked has been traced and applied to a canvas tote bag, and it looks good.